Hey, Patrick Morin here from U.S. Imports. Today I'm here to talk to you about registering your food manufacturing facility with the United States Food and Drug Administration. All food, beverage, and dietary supplement products offered for import into the United States must come from an FDA-registered facility. If your product arrives at a U.S. port and you can't show customs proof of FDA registration, then guess what? Bye-bye. You do not pass go, you do not collect $200, and you definitely do not get your products to where they're going. But registering alone is not enough. There are a few more steps you need to take to make sure your products make it to where they're going. Facilities must be registered with the FDA prior to shipping products to the United States. If you register after your products are detained, it only affects future imports. The detained products will still be refused entry. At that point, the only options are to either ship them back to where they came from or re-export to another country. If you are the importer and somebody else manufactures your food or dietary supplements for you, then you'll need permission from the manufacturer to register their facility. If you don't know what this permission looks like, don't worry, we put together a form for you. Just insert your information and sign. It's that simple. If you manufacture your own products, you don't need to worry about this step. But when registering, you need to provide a unique facility identifying number. This is the number that is specifically associated with the food facility. For the purposes of registration, this means a Dun & Bradstreet DUNS number. Don't have a DUNS number? Well, don't worry, because we got you covered. Click on this link here to learn more. Registration is completed online through the FDA's website. You will need to know all the following information about your facility. You will also need to designate an agent physically located in the United States to serve as your primary point of contact with the FDA. The registration process is pretty detailed and time-consuming, but don't let this overwhelm you. After all, the United States is the largest marketplace in the world and offers excellent opportunities for food businesses to expand their customer base. I hope this video helps you understand more about the FDA food facility registration process. If you need assistance, U.S. Imports can not only help you file your registration, but we can also serve as your U.S. agent. To learn more about importing food, beverage, or dietary supplements into the United States, please visit our website at usimports.us.